In this CapCut mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to create a random bouncing letters text animation that instantly adds energy and fun to your text. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type whatever text you want to animate. Next, head over to the Font tab and choose a font style that fits this effect. Bold or clean fonts usually work best because each letter remains clearly visible while bouncing. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section where all repeating text animations are available. Scroll through the list and apply the animation that makes the letters bounce randomly. As soon as you apply it, you'll notice that each letter moves independently, creating a playful and unpredictable bouncing motion. To control how fast or slow the letters bounce, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for fast, energetic bouncing. Drag the slider to the right for slower, smoother movement. Preview the animation and fine-tune the speed until it matches the vibe of your video. And that's it. You've successfully created a random bouncing letters animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully explained CapCut mobile text animation tutorials.